Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if split screen mode is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So some possible reasons why split screen not working are the following. The picture isn't enabled in system settings, your graphics driver aren't updated, and outdated versions of Windows and display settings are changed. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to ensure Snap Windows is enabled. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung system. At dito sa right side ay scroll down and ilocate natin dito yung multitasking. Okay? So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa multitasking, so kailangan natin itong i-turn on itong Snap Windows. So dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-turn on yan para ma-fix yung problem. Alright, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to configure multitasking settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung multitasking. Ayan, and makikita mo kaagad dito yung multitasking settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-tap tong Snap Windows, so click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na dito yung kanyang other options and settings. So ang gagawin natin dito is to uncheck mo lang itong when I snap a Windows, suggest what I can snap next to it. So kailangan yan naka-uncheck. Alright, and then after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update a graphics driver. And kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on a start menu. And then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-update dito yung display adapters graphics driver. Kung paano ba natin gawin, so i-select mo lang tong display adapter. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung ating graphics driver. And then kailangan natin itong i-update. So select and right click. And then, kailangan mo lang i-tap tong update driver. And then, may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin. Like, search automatically for drivers. And then, browse my computers for drivers. And select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then, i-tap mo lang tong search automatically for drivers. So, click mo lang yan. And wait natin. So, makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after natin dito na ma-update and then close lang natin tong device manager and dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix split screen not working properly in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.